Mukago aine yo Nixon Kabuye ntungamo George Kabeho ayo naritwa na John Kabeho yes naritwa na Sam Muchunguzi ogwen OB wita then hano murembo rwambara tuine Kachebezi the incumbent ari who starts to get out with Katembe Stanley wa PFF then tuine Musenex Agaba independent tkaruga muje nkuyabe naenda so yagaruka mweti 7 Tabara independent amuna Itogorumak Nyabehemu we akaba yarangiye kuyaruga umurweda kazumbu yero if you know what I mean konka kandi tebaraha abapati tebaraha ndi electoral commission so exchange ya ballot cyabo kandi yagenda yayiterera reka tushare tuze oku ahari tele center abo kuba obururu kuturukweza kubutera na twarga polling station zaho tuzatale center niho biri kwicira noja kushangaho aba electoral commission na muno ngano murembo rwito rwambara tale center yituntu enda kwara musaba electoral commission. Thank you so much. We partnered together okurebeka ngo abantu abayiseho the best of the best services na mwenu nindeba already ibishani byo no reba byo ne biruga impora mpora okubara kuni kugenda umisho nindeba abwori we returning officer mu tavaya tatura abwori nabanda bayo nakora nabo ibintu bishani byo no reba ha TV ya screen ya njiza nzo wa Gideon Sanyemo agomezemo atugambere ibintu bigenda umisho oko ahatari center tura na mnongo gwa ibembere mwishonga yo kubara karuru aho murembo rambara Bob Gazi yawabagambire na mnonga aba candidates abese imbere na mnonga bambara city tureba antibiwa meya n'abantu batano wabagamba twine mu Kachebezi Robert Mugabe ogu akaru yakatera Kibaya twine Sanure Katembeya ogu akaru yakatera Kokonjeru twine Mark Itogonya Ruhemu ogu akaru yakatera Medical Cell twine Senix Agaba akaru yakatera Kakoba kandi bitabara akaru yakatera Renkona ahishitamye umwanya ugu twine bakanzi bamwe muri ababa besimbere nyenda tonjirugana nabo nabo tugambiye kurga kasheshe negishaha bo akaruru kurga kasheshe bakara bata kandi ubutumwa na mnonga bagwene bahereza obwo muri wa TV wese yabakwimuka mukasheshe akazo mukaruraka ibintu yagira amukono gwanje ogwo nyina omwami bintabara live TV wese no sakutura musana mnongo muri wa TV wese ari natureba ibintu kurga kasheshe negishaha bintu byenda to live TV wese na mnongo mukamereria omuntu okurga kasheshe na mnonga yabwa kutera karuru ibintu kuraza hamwe yo noverebo
karuru tkabaje kagenda
nibice byashoba na mnongo muri bwa TV yashimukwa nama
karuru kasoba nonga ukuba ahamukana katerwa aba security
okay ibintu bigamije bitabara naza kushama kache na mnonga tuganira no murodi Kachebezi na mnonga tugambe kurga kasheshe ibintu kuraza hamwe babire
Itogoro 00 Kachebezi 48 Katembeya 13 00
turi aha umutare center kandi tutegereze ebirarijemo konka nyenda kusima abantu bambara sete okutera ubururu burungi ahubwo kuba nori computer yanjye nayo reka ngo twabazere already kandi twamanyire exact results so nyenda kusima bahageze banje nyenda kusima coordinators nyenda kusima abantu bambara site abatera karuru mbwingi mwe bari munonga n'ibintu tujya kwatubye ntubagambira ubuhanguzi no bwitu konka nyenda kusima NRM munonga okutera president yoro Museveni na karuru na nyamukanterera karuru mwebare abanyambara ya
amara kaguri no gura na gama ndambaye tatura na mnonga ari narangira aba wodi stars munazimwe abantu bategereje aho guyatanikana nyamityoba wodi yaza umuka ko wodi yaza abachachi yaza kamukozi katura marakageye uwo kumanya nibihe kugenumisha
Kishasha ward Nyashilengo Trading Center Nyakanengo Trading Center Nyakanengo Agaba 30, Itogoro 01, Kachebezi 84, Katembeya 18, Mwetese 01. Ranger Ward, Lukarabo, COU, A2L, Katera Nanga. Agaba 07, Itogoro 01, Kachebezi 60, Katembea 23, Mwetaise 01. Ranger Ward, Ranger Primary School, B, Ranger North, Ranger South. Agaba 31, Itogoro 00, Kachebezi 136, Katembea 18, Mwetaise 01. Ranger Ward, Ranger Primary School, M to Z, Akapu, Kamataris. Agaba 12, Itogoro 01, Kachebezi 64, Katembea 13, Mwetaise 00. Ranger Ward, Bukarabo COU, M to Z, Katela na Agaba 12, Itogoro 00, Kachebezi 57, Katembea 13, Mwetaise 03. Ranger Ward, Rakatele Primary School, Katenjetu. Agaba 05, Itogoro 00, Kachebezi 90, Katembea 05, Mwetaise 00. Ranger Ward, Ranger Primary School, Ranger Primary School A to L, Akaku, Kamataris. Agaba 04, Itogoro 00, Kachebezi 67, Katembea 06, Mwetaise 00. Ranger Ward, Ranger Church of Uganda, Agaba 02, Itogoro 00, Kachebezi 147, Katembea 01, Mwetaise 00. Ranger Ward, Rakatele Primary School, Kachebebe, Rakatele. Agaba 18, Itogoro 01, Kachebezi 68, Katembea 37, Mwetaise 00. Nyabuhama Ward, Nyabuhama Katojo Primary School, A to L, Katojo. Agaba 06, Itogoro 01, Kachebezi 73, Katembea 20, Mwetaise 01. Nyabuhama Ward, Nyabuhama 2 Trading Center, Echigano. Agaba 29, Itogoro 01, Kachebezi 103, Katembea 35, Mwetaise 00. Nyabuhama Ward, Nyabuhama Parish Headquarters, A to L, Nyaruhanga. Agaba 00, Itogoro, Agaba 01, Itogoro 00, Kachebezi 56, Katembea 12, Mwetaise 00. Nyabuhama Ward, Bihare Mixed Primary School, A to MA, Kanyara, Mairu Rugaram. Agaba 08, Itogoro 00, Kachebezi 98, Katembea 20, Mwetaise 00. Nyabuhama Ward, Bihare Mixed Primary School, MB to Z, Kanyara, Mairu Rugaram. Agaba 10, Itogoro 01, Kachebezi 109, Katembea 17, Mwetaise 01. Nyabuhama Ward, Katojo Primary School, M to Z, Katojo. Agaba 11, Itogoro 03, Kachebezi 69, Katembea 14, Mwetaise 00. Nyabuhama Ward, Nyabuhama 2 Trading Center, Kakuku. Agaba 06, Itogoro 01, Kachebezi 74, Katembea 15, Mwetaise 00. Nyabuhama Ward, Nyabuhama Parish Headquarters, M to Z, Nyaruhanga. Agaba 03, Itogoro 00, Kachebezi 82, Katembea 10, Mwetaise 00. Bihare West Ward, Bihare Town Board Playground, Bihare Central, 1 Echangiri. Agaba 05, Itogoro 02, Kachebezi 75, Katembea 14, Mwetaise 00. Bihare West Ward, Bihare Sub-County Headquarters A2L, Agaba 08, Itogoro 02, Kachebezi 82, Katembea 19, Mwetaise 00. Bihare West Ward, Bihare Sub-County Headquarters M to Z, Agaba 16, Itogoro 02, Kachebezi 101, Katembea 28, Mwetaise 00. Bihare West Ward, Bihare Town Board Playground, Bihare East, Chanya Rukondo 2, Agaba 10, Itogoro 01, Kachebezi 59, Katembea 09, Mwetaise 00. Bihare East Ward, Kamatarisi Primary School, Kashara, Agaba 15, Itogoro 00, Kachebezi 131, Katembea 10, Mwetaise 00. Bihare East Ward, Nazareth Church, Remy Rabio, Agaba 08, Itogoro 02, Kachebezi 43, Katembea 23, Mwetaise 01. Bihare East Ward, Kamatarisi Primary School, Renkanj, Agaba 15, Itogoro 00, Kachebezi 53, Katembea 10, Mwetaise 00. Nyachinengo Ward,
Alright, ebyo nibyo bimwe mu bintu bigenda misho aha tele center aha mwanya go kubariraho akaruru specifically ahabwe change citu echambara city aho guwana urebana barani ubona nabugambire twe the most ngaso no chimanya ngo nugo Violet atura abagori kandi arugumizamu okubara akaruru na nokushoma results ngo kuziro nzija umwe liko gwa muheru abase kubana baranjera abasa kuba nasinga akaruru aka capsule.
Yes.
Leka tuganira abanya Uganda ejo kwanza cyabiyo nakaruru aho kutwagambire voter turn up yabanje munonga haba mu bintu byo kugera n'abantu binaniganira nabo kugenda akarushi koza kutera nanizo bashintira akaruru nitutere roha hino ndijo muntu wagira huzi jo ngende tunaniza wonde bo wabashita
abantu yaterera akaruru
abantu we naterera akaruru. Where are we going wrong as a country?
It is so unfortunate ngo abantu barimba kwa masiko umukuronda bebembeza and especially bebembeza abebyanga ba local government ningashi abebyanga
za government
zebyanga aho kwano reba ati local government niyo kuba ishikira abantu directly district teacher person of course nakuba first citizen nwari kuba na manye kufomba abantu bine direct councillors abo kwa bari ha district from different sub counties no bana kwatishonga z'abantu kandi abo nwari kuba nanywanisa local government na central government programs kuzijeza government how they are going to be implemented nwari kuba in charge na government services ningashi nabakuzi ba government district so noreba ngo n'umuntu muhango munonga aha muntu wa bulijo of course aba member wa parliament nabonu bahango wakati norebe mirimo yabo neza ona national level manya kukora budget manya kubaga mateka ku monitoring government program so noreba nkiba kirya higuru wakati ko kwija aha district hatareba ngo district na musite n'umuntu orukubana hikahasa ha grassroots so konkore babantu batajumira mukuronda ki abebembeza so ningira echo ni kibi ahihanga kushanga abebembeza umuntu atafire nkechi wagamba bishaka runyuga nyantukakaho masa tukiri mu kutera karuru kandi rero mutare na gamba no muntu ashobora ikigo no muntu ayitegereze so ubwo no mucyumbe gutwine kora ngwaragamu so how we going to get out of it nkechi wagamba it's really nikikuteganisa ko kanyoni nyenda kushaba kushaka kuba nicyo basika abantu bona abo kuparticipatinga omukarura kutukuba turumaka aka member wa parliament so member wa parliament yargayo akasupportinga ningashi akareba umwebembezi ushemerira akamusupportinga nikiyambaho following ye ninga abantu be okwejumbira umukarurako
so what you trying to say kugira ngo kwara ababiri umukaruru obana bari batabera biremo atwereke candidate ayoreka abantu candidate kugira ngo apulling a crowd bije batera karuru
kandi bakora umwebembezi why am I saying this nyonkanye simbiri kajara kushira umwembezo kushija kajara mu parliament I decided to pick a candidate kujira program zabo niberekeye gukora nam supporting endorse the candidate kandi namurondera kana mukorera campaign not necessarily ngo niza kujya tukora turoko ngagambira abo kindi interrogo so ate cy'abantu bapike ngo pisheri yakimi na supporting anaka ahabwaje so ni raising a temperatures mu bantu hat iyo akujya iwe ushohire konka of course naje kine dynamics zacho konka ningira waza kuzomundo politics ushanga of course it's being a little bit selfish akugira ngo nyokunda declaring ngo ni supporting a candidate X cyumasa ngo abantu batakumusupportinga tubarije kumpa karuru in future yet as leaders I think we need to show people direction.
There's also another school of thought Eliakim kugira ngo akaruru ka Uganda kayinukira kabake mbwenu na naba ba candidates nichiyamba bo
nichiyambi okutera karuru
no nichiyamba bo okushanga abantu bingi batakejumbira mu because of the financial pressure eyiba kutiri ari ba candidates because omburubo obuthendire there was a bad narrative between tureba mtukujya tinywe na kutera karuru mpa transport geneza so muntajya atia. Should we assume ngo they have not had much pressure but the lesser pressure financially abokujya ngutana kuyabanche but shemererwa mwecho
konkano reba nico na ningamba yes umuntu nabasa taking advantage nabasa kuchukoresa konka it is dangerous to the community kushanga abantu tubayijumbura mukuronda bebembezi because it's a constitutional right no mugabe bwawe mutekari yanga ukuronda mwebembezi kugenda ukaronda mwebembezi ukamterera karoro hati wo ko kushanga ngiyo wabergaho nico nanagambe kugira ngo iyo koko bereko jeta nywaka rutinza katera ninga nabergaho aho ushanga niwe oshemerire kwa abantu direction mu community yawe ukajya tuzokurondo mwebembezi nanka kandi abantu you are an opinion leader ninga abantu bakwicerezamo in following yawe ukajya tuna I endorse this candidate because of ABCD kandi naza kumuhaja naza kumushirira karuru so ata abantu tandika kubasimara kuba active and especially nka young generation kugira ngo nabo bejumbiro mbyo bwebembezi numa abantu bajya bishiko kiri umwana noronda cyo mbyo bwebembezi bishiwe kandi iki awa kino zo mbintu byo bururu tibyo bururu nibyo kurondo umwebembezi nyera abantu bacetegereze ngo ntubantu ronda abebembezi abuza kutuyamba mu communities zitu kugira ngo kokuba ukabireka umwebeza akakore byarukwenda so why are you complaining abuko toragiriye kutera karuru so konko muntu ko kumushobora kaje by the way aba bantu abo kureba chairman of the C5 maybe a member of parliament niyo kuba mutiro mu parliament wemuka okamucampaigningira ningashi okamurondera karuru ningo kamhereza karuka mushajika akazo parliament naza kuyamba ukureto hereza bunji umucanga
nabayenda kubuza kurunokira ngo impact na numwoga oguri kuzanwa abantu ba structures zizo tutorana nugurebwa nugwegambirira tukabina turiyaha isn't this a vote of no confidence in our system kugira ngo abantu bareba na naba barumu we don't exactly know baba nito bakucicirira we don't feel the influence tukura nguruyare batwine homwoga kure that's
ya patire eco naco nishonga kugira ngo umuntu nagera ubwo ari nakora ki ari narondebi hata umuntu nangira hariya aba bakuru aba bantu abashohwire aba in exposure kumara hati no bakubintu ba enlightening abantu bayida kuko batagire kutera karuru era kantu bazaketerera era no bazakiba because tuwija ukadefendinga hato umuntu arabyeho cyaro kwenda hati hari abantu icyo bagamba it's a very important point kandi abantu bakora bishagwa kinyuniza kutera karuru then haro element ndi cyo ngo shina nakatera kandi bakorangerana hata abantu ba discouraged ushaka umuntu atakwenda kuza gukora ki umuntu atakuza kwenda admin atakwenda kuza kutera karuru but we not get started turi kuza kuraha omukugamba ahabwebembeze burungi omukwiga abantu to participate okwejumbira umukushiro gwebembe kuko sati nkitwe wabo ine myaka ye mito people will tend to discourage you people baza kutejiza kutera mute because no manyangu people thrive on other people's ignorance hati abantu abinje
ubutamanya bwawe umuntu
nabutemberaho azahari because naza kurabyeho cyaro kwera so hatkora ukurgayo kandi cyo ndukushaba abantu bona if you are exposed n'ibintu byo rukumanya don't be selfish just nyowe tinkuza kukigambe iki ahubwo ko ndashemura umuntu naza kukoreka niyo nubana urete mbanda mu cyanga cyawe ahubwo abandi abatakumanya abari mu community and we claim to be leaders or want leadership but you have not given people direction ninga tabagambira by the way bimizo ucemirire no rukore iki ninga no shimi kuba nakore iki and we have to have
having said that abantu bamanya roles abachairperson let's talk about that emyoga yaba bishente ko baza district nana ba kansara ekirukwija omu budget yabo nicingana ki kugira ngo umuntu abase kuba namanya ubukama bwabo nibukomahi because abo kwano hura ababese imbere bakoraganise bintu kaje twonke kinteji kitari cyabo so n'abantu bakomahi umuga gwabo nuguha rero abantu nuko
babaze kumanya hati no reba ko kuza local government because umutwe nabari chairperson LC5 hati ogwe niwe
arugira act ya parliament ninjira
yes local government act yes niwe kuba ari umutwe gwa district political head kandi arakurebuza abakozi ubona abo mu district project zone zikije mu district wari kuba na zireba ekirukweta giso mu district washimye kubana nakikora ukikise nkiko mu kanso ukumanya niki kirukwetagwa umucyanga ki because remember it's a local government kana na connecting a local government to the central government kumanya ngo itwe local government ibintu byo tugenda tukora so local government hija kikuza aha district ecyarwa central government kugira budget ubwero nebikwetinga gukora then implementation impangu nebiri ha district kugira ngo chairman LC5 naba aina man go kuretera ibintu byakorwa mu district because niwe political head niwe first citizen in the district kandi nuwa ashime kuba narebuza abakozi ba district ebintu a district bigendaje kwaro hirwa ronkeri what is happening habwa cy'abantu batakutungo behereza amashomero nkago niki kugendo misho ahubwo noza kureba of course buri sector ne headway aro district education officer nabari ya district tuineho chief administrative officer nabari ya district we have all these
bene na secretary of different departments
exactly harumanya department ya agriculture haruho ya planning so no shangane ibintu binje kuba biruko a district haza because health sector mbone n'ibintu byo nakoko kubimanya ebitongore ibikuyamba umuntu wabutosha hati iwe district chairperson no kuba na kwa that kind of supervision emirimo ko kutambara abakozi n'abakora ki abisha bashumisa bono bashumisa abo kuba ni wari kuba head wabi kugira ngo ibintu bitambara ki government programs ezija zaba implemented mu district bishitwetaga cyo mu district what can we lobby for our people hati oshanga chairperson wa LC5 aine umurimo muhango gushanga ashimeye kuba nakora ki nakombantu namanyishonga z'abantu ashobora abantu ibyo yeke kubakora nanangwa nebyo bakuri umbiro bwo biyo wabo twiroro ibintu byo twire ninkora mbe na nice yaha ninyenda kongera kweki hata abantu bamanye imyuga yawe the same applies to nana aba councillors ushaka councillors akuza district niyo nono ujwekera abantu bawe umu sub county yawe nibasho mugomborera yawe aha district so niyo nono kutwara inshonga z'abantu umucyanga hamushonga ki ubwo shanga kicho bagamba abantu mwe batamanya haze ecumwe no shanga even na councillors na district councillors nabo tubamanya really kintu ninza kukora
bobo nkaba kwa bagireyo
then of course nabo kuba kwa batatungire refresher courses kumanya bashimwe courses kumanya bashimwe kwa bakora niki babitoze bitatu shanga ubuhereza bwacumba gira mu district not because tubakwenda kunka mutu babamanya ningashito babifoko gukora tera though hari wabo abo kumanya umurimo gwabo ushanga hati nyina masukongo gwashanga chairperson kichi twagambo mu district you are unopposed tina kwesimbireho that means people have appreciated imirimo yokozire mbene bakwikiza gumiza mu misho gumiza mu jeni no kora ki
vote of confidence
gumiza mu jeni no kora imirimo yawe ahabo kuba ndure imirimo yo no kora ngebo wacobora nibe kwenda kora bakurugaho shana zazingeze nshobeso
ideal
shana twashanga mukandi ni wokuza kuba no opposed no kuwa stamina abandi
akarora ka katera hanse wagira kuba
wachanga changa ninga abantu wabihamu bakora ki hate kintu bakitari kirunju konka washanga ngo genuine abantu bakureka ngo ojeria no opposed cyo masa mukinde cyo bakurebera cyo kozireje kandi cyo yini kuba no mari so na councillors ni mu kiba cy'urucunja abantu kubashobora kugenda district ni biha abo kuba no reba bebembezi they have platform ko kuza ene social gathering oba n'urufu oba n'imbaga oba n'umukoroki ni baba recognize nango babahereza umuzindaro twineho chairperson wa C5 wa district yaza kwereza gana speech ya government so na ine kushobora ya government ko kutambara yaba atari chairperson no manye social gathering babigamo yaba atariho orukumukura noha twineho district councillor aja tugambire hate je chance no bamba jukwereza abantu kushobora ki kushobora abantu bashime kuba bakoze konka nyoni nyenda kushaba ngo tutaraha because it is an uphill task no mu muhango ngatuza kuraha ukongera gumanshumisa abantu nitubashobora kugira ngo abantu tubase kubiha umbutamanya I know it's possible ni chubasika kubishije uko wito wayesimbere
now nyine portion ngisha tezo ni kwenda ngo tuganireho iyo kubanza netandika na ekintu cha democracy ubururu okuterwa na hansi ntegeka ya democracy iyi tukusubscribe ngatu nkihanga tubugabe kugira ngo ugu naruga muri achikwatemu kugira okoko bazirungwa kwakazarwa n'ingoma echo chabyo tatari benshonga yaba unopposed abo bazaho kunako nabanyikora research nawaza kwitegereza okareba aharubaju urw'abantu abesimbire aho akaruru kemi nuza kushanga ngo abebine biruka kanisa government abesimbire nebacha munonga for example twija nkanu musite of course Kachebezi ni wayesimbire abamuruho wa opposition no PFF wachireba konka in many of these other areas no shangaro wa NRM na nowa NRM otaradizarata otarasimere buriya what does that speak to our democracy okushanga ejo tujye mu success ya NRM should they be thankful but democratic ati tumanyisachi agwihanga
ati hachikwatene nebina kosi ebina byona babine hibi kubabine base amani so korukuza NRM arokushanga ufine wazumena because of the ideology yine you don't care abantu mafuta kwa watu barakakutere konka iyo no kunda NRM na ideology because we have seen people in central abesimbere flag bearers ninga shompate ya NRM nobwera abe popularity etare as much as okwiriyo mu western region zezindi konka still umuntu ahabwa ideology ya NRM nebe yayisimba nango nabo mu basinga karuko kibentureba
mbwa
parliament na uko kwija ngecana nagambe hatu ko kwija umudyaka aka local government hazo shanga ngo society yorumu hati kaza hansi society yorumu nabo sinoreba dynamics zakaru ujoti umuntu nukuza kwesimana nangwa singa karuda zombwebembeze so koko baramuwagiro ati naye simba umupate ya NRM inza kutunga abantu binja bara supporting because I align with NRM ushanga umuyacu baro umuangwecho undijo achibaro mangwe kujya tunonyi nkunda ideology ya NRM na nemitwarize yona so ninza kwesiba mu kibina harunangwa nabandi bakujya bakesimba direct as independent atarabiri no mu kibina cyo atabanije kugira ngo tiyarabo mu kibina ushanga mutekateka najati no nyowe because kandi it's a constitutional right kuzo mu kibina cyo nicyo rukwenda to choose any party kama as an independent candidate azogira ati we agira ati nyowe mutekateka yanje ninza kuba nijwe kirabora so I want to come as an independent candidate enari mu ideology yitana gicherezamo tindu wa opposition so let me come as an independent candidate kandi abantu bakuronda bako bururu usimana
ahabwa avarize zo kuba
uruho so nyoni nyanti ni kiretwa base nke nagamba stronghold burupate yona ne hinahe kube inechi man mwe kugira ngo yokore wazo mu western region umanyangu NRM is popular in that area so atoshanga abantu bingi bayizira party ya NRM because of its values, because of its popularity. I want to politics, to be honest, in interest.
Omuriecho abantu tubakujeje baferwa okutunga that other voice, that other idea, the alternative government in waiting. Na now rengorwa for example ko district kugira ngo harebe ba NRM bunka. Is that good for service delivery? Haza kuba kuboneka abantu barabuzi bakagira ngo bakademand accountability ebintu nk'ibyo okutaba kwa opposition okuba strong kushanga etari mu mwanya
hati akarukona nakakari yake myaka etano so omuntu nubasa kumuterera okugira ngo no opposition ingashana habura government nabwo hikeyo na wakuribusha kandi ohereze wa NRM na wagenda kuri so nyowe ningira nti akaruru omuntu shime kuba noreba what the person stands for values omuntu mu leadership kugira ngo waza kutera akaruru yaba iziro mpati ya NRM abukose nataruwe kandi nabandi bamwisimbiro uza kushanga abantu ngabatano bona besimbiro mu NRM kandi ubona orebe okuba ro kugamba neberekire gukora so omuntu kari kumuhakaru yazo mbwebembezi ukashanga biyaza mu gukora kandi tubiyo yakora ibyashimiye kuba nakora tubiyo yakora so emyaka y'itano kero kwaho tumukumuhakarura hatare nona ningambira the opinion leaders people who are exposed the elites okuja by the chairperson wa LC5 ashimiye kuba nakora iki kuko kutabikozire so kwari kuje sitaka mhereza karura hati je cyubara gamba kugira ngo kwari kuzamu ukashanga kare bona baba bapate ya NRM is he going to deliver naza kuri cyashimye kuba kozire yes na kuri cyashimye kuba kozire so okukora tipati ukora naryo muntu it's an individual or kuba ari umukozi regardless of the political party yizira
na yatare mukozi ntuza kucimbanya
kashike nede kikazinga nazaho ushanga tia ne kiyatisa tinde kiyashobora abantu tiyatebe kandi abantu n'abantu bakureba ako kikinagamba akarukaro ko government abantu nibamba kufollowinga no bikamu niyo manyishonga zabo ishu zabo nozo resolving good project no hinicho bashakire abantu n'abantu bagamba kugira ngo at least obeno bagambira ibintu byo kozire eberekire korra mwe no betegereza imbera iyo bakoba ningashi okuba kuba no batwaza umubyanga byabo menya tutakarebera aha pate kugira ngo package naza kuperforminga so we need to look at an individual ogo muntu naza kuperforminga twayemera tukafuterera karuru bob zero regardless of the political party are you going to perform are you a performer yes you are performer tukereze ki tukakarura imyaka 5 kwerazeho kubuza aho tukorire kiningo uje tushobora utakugamba utikire mbantu akaruru bemba kakwiya
election commission esente ekaiti gum budget abo kugira ngo tumanyangu umwaka wo 2026 kuzumukadira ki mukaruru konka bagakabasha bani turi kweta supplementary inyongeserezo ahabwa akarura kananice ukatirwe no kuba bakaparaningire tukajya bukozeseza kweta kids biometric voter verification kids is tagumize mu kukoze kunanka kukora for example izobere umukarakeri izoba emyanya ubwoma bwakorerwamo muri mitoma babukozesa Hoima City ambulable forming nazo BVK zakora wo mu Buyumbe Mbare Masaka City Ruwero ubundi bujo Bukede Dokoro Wakiso areas nka na Mayingo nangwa na Shema nabona ahura ngo BVK zakora hano musite tina unari
natunga mu
wiri okay nana izindi anyway tina itwahura mu BVVK zakora eco kiryaho ikindi hari cyo kugira ngo abantu bashomesigwa kagira ci akaruru na natanapu tiyagereta tije ecintecho tichiru kushari hanga isn't that money that we have wasted
and it's a lot of money kabenze kuri ikintu cyango muno konka aba electoral commission 1 ngecina nagame no kubasima kugira ngo akaruka hatero because cyayenda no cyankara nyibyo papara bwabure ibintu byabura ushanga abantu tubija ningashi babireze shaza kenzira witubija kare so cyo no cyo kubasema kugira ngo sisi batebekanisa karuru katerwa abantu batungomisha ko kurunda bebembiza now on issue ya budget I think we expect electoral commission no accountability kandi nanaba auditor general and what those departments is kubandi zukuraterera imbarira ya institutions ziza ku auditing mukakore kineki then they will be auditor general's report then abantu baje assessing mu parliament hata parliament members of parliament no bakwizo mu mugwabo kuja auditors general report ne gamba what are the queries kuze ziriyo can you explain babeto mu buciko bukuba buri mu parliament to explain sento kuzakoze iki kuzashuhira so we are looking forward to see that kutunga audit report auditor general's report electoral commission nayo kwereza imbarira yayo okuyakora isesende zagiwe na supplementary so I don't think we can I can say much about it konka of course tuna tukireba ngo sente zikashohora zakora konke bimati byakora for some reasons now hati enshonganyo y'ikurebamo ninyebuza why were these machines used selectively cyo batabikoresa I think manya barangirira ngo mbikorese na particular districts konka ito tumanyire ngo ibyo matubirakore kandi tubaza koresa byo so I think electoral commission nayo ishimiye kugambira ihanga habwaci some of the areas bakoresa machines abandi batazikoresa kugira ngo nacyo tucumanye yabe ibyo witu bya bitine network ningashi tubarabigarire
abare kajana
niko manya habwaci ito byo mabitija umu district and also I don't know whether ababikoresa they are being effective uganje takabiro complex I don't maybe no much social media ne yagakwira so icyo ni yari mwaba muri rimwe byo kutangariza okutugambira district zakoresa machine zakoraje ningashi nabo batunga ubundi tutakabagira ngo itana nicyo kubatorita machines ugashanga machines zanza kora ki zanza kongera ukuteganisa so njya electoral commission ishime kurga ikashobora ahabwaci ibyoma byakora selective byakora in some parts bitakora hone icya kabiri byakora ki tutungete sumije ngo bayida wabakorese byoma bakutera karuru jijije muno so I think it's important abanyayuganda kubahereza that kind of information tukaba niticumanya actually nyo nacyumanyira aha ngo abamwe bakorese byoma because itum district titile wano urakoma so suppose inebyo mehi byakora so ho ni ntwarumisha gukusima management ya TV West okwabantu amakuru inabari yo bazakumangwini nabakoresa ki nabakoresa ibyoma so icyo nacyo ni kibasimera so ahambarira nanjye nagigambaho iki bwoma nano uku bwakora baza kwija ukonja kucishobora
omukaruru aktuhereza biri 15 results zarugiremo twareba very many people upset na mnonga babe batwiremo twareba first timers binji bijamo you know nabando kauza if harujorwa ruling government and urujorwa opposition twagumantura new people new faces on board prediction ya wabakarura hakaturumu do you see well like to have phenomenon create whatever kureba very many new faces ninga tugire ngo abatwire mu ba incumbent this time basaku
nishonga kuri by the konka ndeba percentage okay nete pango but good number but you know positive then ekindi flag bearers oshanga flag bearer are strong independence na wabijishanga bar strong so kuko nagambera na was so much engaged mu karuruka ntungame because of my interests mu karuru in politics konka we can't predict think hajira nguna ni supporting ya karire and I don't think even the other side I can say that we are leading or twashira so komwa msante ni chiyagambo twargo yagira ati tinkumanya anda zinyine zo kurangira this one is leading, this one is not leading. So ningira by end of business tomorrow nsakwa twatandike kutunga feeders aho kono karitaiti
konka nichurunji you know, as now speak to me as an analyst or I have got in a service delivery okushanga twagiramu abantu abasiya vis-a-vis hagmumu
omukuru
the old guard which is better for service delivery.
Nyoni ngira nti omuntu omukuru yabakozire ko kubakozire kimasa ngine byo kiri kwenda kumaliza kana nabantu mbareba ngine byo yine kumaliza. Let's say nguje for the wa mare myaka 5 so ko kumare myaka 5 otire steps aza mbe natandika project age na nagisya, so I need to close these gaps nkatunga project age. Abantu mbabasaku kugira ngo fine you have explained and you have seen what you twarebe byo kozire mbene katukongere tame ndijo ninga shitina la kwesimbe konka abantu waba nubasokushango twireho but you have not performed tu wakora so why should we vote you back ati njimasa ngu tu wakora so abandi babase gukora ari okushanga ngu omuntu nobwo arabe thochine disadvantage yangu omuntu yaba performing me or advocate bamureko umuntu akora iki agumizemo amare like 2 or 3 times ahuja ngwire
no, there's a friend of mine, let me start it this way. Harumyani wanje akabaye simbere ahakaruru akentebe case sintebe kan say primary haza akaruru bakamuimu
bakakwata
when kwara kujanga akakwata nyinga bakamu konkana jirangu omumba opponents be echabe na mtura akana muturu kuba muto. I'm trying to drive towards the point yeminyeto but especially yeminyeto omubururu aha level age chandi chiwo mitwe y'abantu for example bakuru bentebe ya katano they must be of a certain age ashime kuba ina kuyahika kana omwishenjero we're seeing younger people bane bagenda kugachika aha LC5 na wano urabe mwamisho karebo mu participate nyo mubesi ba candidates bitu eminyeto noreba mbatana na involvement yeminyeto omukarura akamundo
ati noreba interview ya chairman LC5 to be objective LC5 ngo kutwatwagame no kuba na dealing with local government.
That's right.
Local communities ombyanga so nazo kushanga abantu abo no dealing nabo n'abantu abakuru abantu abine families kumanye mwina abantu ukukwa batwira mu communities okwa hansi and to relate with them because abinjira kwa bine families bina makabine kiso to clearly relate with them nabo kurira
bar comfortable
niwe Bambenda, at least you be of certain age and status, maybe you're married or you know or in the family, unoturanabo because you need to be resident there. Unoshime kuba ujyaho unoturanabo y'umuntu umucyangeje mu district age. So ninjeje contributing ahabwachi abantu expectations zabo nizuba ziri aha muntu mukuru. Urukuza kuba chairman LC5. Abo kuba by default umuntu nanateka tekeje kugira ngo HMN LC5 bashimukore umuntu mukuru otukuza kushikirira intwine bizubu mu community zitu aho kwayijuka abakuba nakurira bona amanyarumba sub county chief aho kukoreje shonga z'abantu harumu ba HMN LC2 LC3 aho kukoreje shonga izoko ko kumbyaro so atoreba ngo default setting y'abantu niba nirebere echo which I agree with kugira ngo at least waza kuba chairman LC5 that kind of thinking ni rechuro kandi ni yamba though no basa kushanga ngo wagira that kind of status yo kuba mushije mukuru in a family but you're not delivering n'abantu tuwabazamu nishonga zabo tuwazura nemshango bibabine muninga sho kuratera projects tuwazukura you haven't tuwakuratera abakozi ba government so atoreba ngo nuborabe waba mushije mukuru in a family neka but you're not delivering, you're not performing yet has a ho umnyeto ninga sho muntu w'emyaka emito ka delivering akore enchiko zikikiseje ebintu bite kompiteka remember hakuza kuchitsa inchiko za council na chimbwe nu kuzombiye harimo abantu abakuru you know So atukonkushanga omuntu because now is the chairman LC5 because we have seen a number of them abantu b'imyaka mito and they are performing. So shanga na nabakuru nabo shanga na performing. So ejo ndimwe nango tikitayinge aha hariya yo kugira ngo emyaka it's two way na wasa kugira emyaka ushanga atakubasa performing ije kitinisa cy'imyaka mikuru kandi shango muto w'imyaka mito yazaho kandi yakora kandi abantu bamusima kandi abantu bamwongera akaruru konka kicina gamba dynamics zakaruzona no zubara kandi akantu ka propaganda nyinshi kugira ngo umuntu aza gukora propaganda ekore kandi abantu bakwima akaruru watu ngo mishago ukakarabaho hatoshanga wabasa gukora ki wabasa gukoresha umwe kugira ngo eminyeto tutakayahwa mani tutakayegaya kwasi ibintu byandike kugira ngo utakikiza abantu kugayabo imyaka yawe butongo bicukorera
kwandikira Timothy
Timotheo tutakiza abantu kugayabo imyaka yawe butongo bicukorera cyo nje mikoro mitwarize naki so ni waza nko muntu utakiza kandi waza mu leadership nkeje especially ya chairman LC5 kandi utakikiriza okushanga abantu bagayabo imyaka yawe butongo kunkakora bicho kurebera cyurunji perform ushanga abantu babatera cyane ngubishika yatwebembera ki ngubishika ya ibintu kaya bitwara echo nikuyamba nawe let me surprise no manyangu nyowe in my church bampire ubwa bukuru w'abakristo head of the kandi imagine nyonga yatura ni ndeba ko singura senari mutu mukuru
n'ikirwa n'umuntu arukuba ya
now konka we had a meeting ituchikise twagamba twachika tunga resolutions and people appreciated because ukuwa tebekanisa urukiko nibi wagamba nibyo kukoresha gukora so nabaza kushanga waba mukuru nabwo still na waba mu myaka y'umuto washanga ruhanga yakuyamba watunga ati ubwebembezo
and my final point on that nacho chikone kushanka echo ni ekintu cy'ipura abantu bigire ba discussinga umuntu akasente ukatari kwereba ugatashemere kwereba we cannot entrust an office key as that tukaje umuntu wakasente kari kweteza mfuna mpora how do you weigh in on that
honestly ninchirizana na necho ujya ko kuburyo mbwebembezi because expectations the stakes are high now so kandi kuza kuba mbwebembezi ko kuba mbwebembezi atunotakiri more nego jati nyine sente because ushimikuri icyo kureberaho you need to be an example mbono ine kureba wakora ati siyo no kuza kuba no yebembera bine sente no yebembera bi aboro no yemeche mbono ine kureba ngo at least you ono kora uinetasya tumoro kugira ngo wenchi kwikuka nureba arona responsibilities zesu kwija let's say kare uriyo mwebembezi bajya ngo tuyine hori chikwa district ninga tuyinde kukoreche tuni muza transporter
abaroje tabashimiye kumfacilitating akaza
tuni muza transporter uine kuzo muri chiko uine kuchikisa abantu so responsibilities na leadership nejana na responsibilities
Eliakim abantu aba involved in corruption cases abo kutempiha baza kora that background check nshangangu nababire bari yaboro ninga nabagiga urenda bene bazimye
ngambira ati noreba manyo of course corruption no bushuma hata umushuma atakugendera ubano mugigo bano muhoro umushuma nari umushuma noza umushuma nari umushuma so tukujya ngo nori umushuma ngo ryo mworo no hari abashuma babagiga shanga no mugiga konka umbwene no mushuma runkungu aha bwaki no mushuma bisikora umushuma no mushuma so obushuma ninga corruption ejo kugenda about your financial status ne question ya integrity na nachini yoko kuba nona so really tukujya ngo umukuba aine sentence munana kushahura ningashana naza kwiba cyuwaga muzo kushanga no mugiga center kine konka no number 1 wo kugobya wo kunyanka nyankura kandi yeti yuno muranka ashimiye kuba nakora ki ashimiye ko sente mwino takagira ngo iyo no yiba ngo wajya ngo toyine je sente ningashi atumyo murona nyinda kutunga sente no tuyo ryumushuma
is leadership another way of earning
leader me I take leadership
opposition is abokuma the popular view umubantu kugira ngo nakatumite abiya
na wani atunje
shaka abantu bakuterana in fact shaka abantu bakubuza ngo bishwe ahagirireyo hayekorire kiwe ko muntu.
Yes, that's true. Hati wakose leadership ne ijana ibintu bingesha gamba responsibilities and also benefits. This comes with the other benefits. So hokuzo mbwebembezi uza kuba inovunazi wabwo gukora konkani wine cyo gukora ki icyo kuganyurwa mu kubehereza bwona kuko siko gukora nushashurwa.
So if
not that kind of angle gukora nugori
because that's the thinking outside.
Hati icyo kugira ngo ugukora nugori yaho ijoro abantu bachikwesa ina negative we kugira ngo kora uri mu office engage ugikorese ukuriya tuko chime kuba kiri uko siko kuba no ukora no banoshashurwa sente zo wakorera konka obuzubunu bwija kandi washanga because oryo mbwebembezi haroho chances zo kureba sente kandi ziriyaho izo
wakora
mu ngaro so waba otine bwesugwa mutuma gwawe hata nza kushanga wataka kunyanka sente because you are exposed to money ziriyaho either new accounting officer niyo rukuzubayira niyo rukora requisition niyo rukwacha shanga waba tempted okwiba sense. So leadership oshime kuba of course you have entitlements or inicho kuburi entitled uri muri leadership bakwereza motoka uri muri leadership notunga umushara notunga allowances so na kintu kiba kiri kirunje konke kizubuni kija which I also discourage washanga notunga all those benefits konka you're not delivering you're not tokusiya abantu behereza hati niyo kuba wagireyo kurya no bo wagireyo kurya notaragireyo kora abantu because bakuteko mbwebembezi bagamba responsibilities zawe tuwazikora but you're running for the benefits umushara ninye ndukubanza gwiyaho narya sarereroni neguma nengiye konka if it comes kuzomi umunchiko nkezo cyahitaga kukikira abantu kora terera ibintu hati niyo kuba wagire kora ki niyo kuba batire utunanye kanzo kuri konka abantu nozayo wazayo okore then you also enjoy the benefits ezirukwijja na obuherezo obwo kubando okora ukangira nti abantu twine kurango twabashomesa twabereka kugira ngo abebembeza turukwenda and it's possible okukora ki abantu okongera kubashobobesa no kubashobora kugira ngo obwebembeza burungi nubu umwebeza shimwe kubariyo ubwo si no in challenges nko kubagamba it's easier said than done ncuba cyangu cyo kugamba kuko kuchikoroshanga cyako kuko no guma no gezaho no rwana naco kugira ngo atisa abantu batungo behereza kandi waganyurwamo beshatu waba memba parliament ngo bakushimita miliyoni 200 ushiro parliament that's a benefit konka wakora mu mugonka memba parliament waba chairman LC5 okazaho ngo bakweza motoka ya government fuel ryaho so wakora umurimo gwawe so ko kubata kukozire hati niyo kuba waze gukora ki ukurya utagire gukora abantu
hati shaha zatwara ndenda kusima munyone wanje iwe osibero ne bativi wese kuyo twatandika no kusa agamajingo ebigambo byo nibirunji abaganda bine imfumu nagira ngo ebigambo tebita so ebigambo dushemere kubitina dushemere kuganira abantu tukagamba nshonga zari muri zimwe so nyundi ya hakusima abantu bona abwareba different analysts journalists abasi bo mu field doko barene batuhereza buri kimwe cyona ntwenda kwasima mwena abo kubati yagana go majingo gutwaza kuhendereramu iyo final message abo Uganda.
So Uganda nchiriza ndakaye final message mbaze basime TV West management abo program nzo kushumisa Uganda we really appreciate that na no ukusima abantu basakuyamba hakaruru katambura kona ni muntu basiba na my final message kugira ibyo antugamba ibyo gwebembeze nishaba umwebembezwe nahuri gezaho okubembera ry'abandi gezaho okucomanje zoburyo gezaho okukora icyo cyushome kubana ukora nko mwebembezi sitakaba kugumaza abantu numa yemwe nukushanga abantu bato mu ruhuzyo wabateka wabacanga let's not take advantage of people, let's not thrive on other people's again, let's expose igone sabantu tubananke batungechi barge umbutamanya. Let's do that. Umwe the responsibility ya buri muntu wena kureba ngo abantu bashemuka abantu bakora ubunono byo yombeki hangari yawe kandi hamusinje guriya gwenyere ubwo kubana umanyangu niwo wateka itafari akombeka ihanga so nimba shababebe mizumwe nimwe abine platform ningashi umugisha go kuvuga nabantu mubagambire kuko so muyemezi wera ndutungo umugisha ngiki twatwagambire so ninjanta bebembezi bakuru b'amadini ba these local leaders ba LC use that opportunity to kushomesa abantu kandi mutarukumanya it's important also nimwe kufuna courses mukashuma mukongera kubimanya kugira ngo twabasa okugira ihangari abatera karunimba sima mwe bari kutera karuru kandi mwe batatera karunimba higa ugundo muruno muzo kutera karuru nimwe mukuteretera bebembezi akaruru ko rwakana kati aka LC ya chairman LC3 so mugende muza kutera na division mayors muzo kutera karuru imwe batakutera karuru nimwe mukuteretera ubwebembezi ubwo abantu bakubana ba complaining aho ombyanga bitumwe tugenda twejumbira mu kutera karuru nimwe bakwiba karuru mujogo kwiba karuru mugukomye mutakatera karuru kenganda mutakatera karuru kamadini konka muterere omwebemezi umuntu okubano reba mube webemezi muhereza karuru agenda kujwekere umushengero ningashi umucanga cyawo nasima ninye Eliakim atumanya Capson lawyer ningashi umunyabiragiro kandi managing partner wa Eliakim and Edison Advocates nashimirwa munongo kujumbu yo kumwanya hati matu azumutarise ndamanchiri umucinga yakaruntungamu so konkato bashabira abebembeza bararijemu mujuro mutuma murunje umuntu kwere yatakuhagira utakamariye baki nkubi kandi nimwe abuko bari mu different camps owari mu kamperi agano takamure bankamubi nawe ine interest yabo cyana hajiro umuntu ainishoga haba cyana hajiro umuntu so mbwenu tube bamwe kugira ngo tubasa kombeka ihangaritu tubasa okombeka ihangaritu hamsinje murunji mwe bari munonga mukama berezo musha kandi mbendeza icyuru cyurunji.
All right, thank you so much bari munonga aguntaka natabagambe nawo kugira ngo president ya nominating honorable justice Dr. Flavian Zija habwentebe ya ishabaramuzi wihanga so konkano ushana aine kumanzazo mu parliament bakamuvetinga yarabo mukachenchuza ko nwari kubanaza omu office ejo so ibyo nabyo byabaho izoberi twenda kubasima no kushemerwa nimwe abantu bashemererwa kushashana nabo abari kushasha specifically twenda kushashana na bakuristayo ba Western Diocese abukurugwaho obirari education secretary wanyu the late now Reverend Bernard Mushabe our prayers za ahabekaye Aunt Katie na the entire family umuyebereza wa Western Korea n'abakuristayo mwena tubashabira mweberebi ebigumere birike by'umwirima mukama yasimushanagwe mubirabemu ibyo nabyo abakwantu mayamwe byija konkana tucura tutika batine masko tumangu tuna masko that Reverend Bernard has gone into a better place kandi tumangu zodiya mushangayo ebire bitwira byahikire nakwendeze ebirunji ebaruje omutale centers aho bararangire first thing in the morning ninja kubandiana bisinsi
tandikana ntungamo
takwatu yako abagambera abarabamu abubatera then asigara ugomuze muntu webitunga byona nyondi Bob's gada baho agent TV West orari kurunji.
Thank you.
Ready to be entertained? We've got you. GoTV's got more shows just for you.
That's right.
More movies?
Yes. Jackpot.
More kids shows?
Of course.
And more football than anywhere else.
No doubt about it.
Yes, we've got more. And we've got you. Pay for your current GoTV package and we'll upgrade you to the next highest package. Get more with GoTV. At home or on the go with GoTV Stream. GoTV. Love it.
You used to tell me that I don't make you